Welcome back to the Belly Up Bar. Thank you all for viewing. Appreciate the subscriptions. Today we're going to make a drink called a KONA Gold. Comes in at about 24% ABV before the ice. It's a Trader Vic's 1972 recipe. Calls for 1 golden Jamaican. I'm going to use a Hamilton pot still gold. Fairly small drink. This has a funky flavor to it. The pot still, bottom of the barrel, so to speak. And 1/4 of Luxardo maraschino. I'm just mixing it right here in the blender that I'm going to use pretty quick. 1/4. And 1 lime juice, fresh lime. And 1 teaspoon of castor sugar. This is fine granulated sugar. 1 teaspoon. All right, and then we're going to blend that up in the mixer. About a scoop of ice in there. And I've got a stemmed tiki glass here. Strain that in. And then it calls for 2 dashes of Herbsaint. This is a licorice flavored. 2 dashes, so about 10 drops. All right, and there we have it. Very tiny drink, very tasty. KONA Gold. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it, and we'll see you next time.